Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect the Binance API. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to the security settings. From there, find the API management section. You will then create a new API key and secret. It is crucial to initially set this key with read-only permissions for safety. This initial setup is a fundamental step for secure integration, ensuring your account remains protected from unauthorized actions. Once your API key is generated, carefully configure its permissions. For enhanced security, restrict access to specific, trusted IP addresses. If you plan to trade, enable spot and margin trading permissions. However, it is strongly recommended to never enable withdrawal permissions for any automated API key. Always review and confirm your selections to ensure they align with your intended use and security protocols, preventing potential vulnerabilities. With your API key and secret ready, you can now integrate it into your code. Select a programming language such as Python or Node.js and install a relevant Binance API client library. These libraries simplify the interaction process. Authenticate your application using your unique API key and secret. Then, make your very first API call, perhaps to fetch your account balance or recent trades to confirm successful connection. Maintaining strong security is paramount when working with the Binance API. Always store your API secret securely, never embedding it directly in your code. Implement comprehensive error handling to manage unexpected responses. It is a good practice to regularly rotate your API keys, perhaps every 3 to 6 months, to minimize risk. Continuously monitor your API usage and logs for any unusual or unauthorized activity, ensuring your assets remain safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.